Finally, the moment many Indians have been waiting for has arrived. In the Union Budget 2025, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitaraman has announced new schemes, fund allocations, and most importantly, a major relief for the taxpayers. The government has revised the new income tax slabs, reducing the burden of taxpayers. And here is the big news: no tax till 12 LPA. Let us break it down for you. If you look at here, the new income tax slabs are as follows. If you are earning from 0 to 4 lakhs, you fall under 0% tax. 4 to 8 lakhs falls under 5%. 8 to 12 lakh falls under 10%. 12 to 16% falls under 15%. 16 to 20 lakh falls under 20%. And 20 to 24 lakh falls under 25%. And if it is more than 24 LPA, it is 30%. So how will the next tax slabs apply? Let's say your annual income is around 4 lakhs. Since it falls under no tax slab, you don't need to pay any tax. But now, what if your income is 8 lakhs? Let's look at the calculation here. On the first 4 lakhs, you don't need to pay tax. But for the next 4 lakhs, you need to pay 5% of the tax. But here is where the rebate comes in. But what do you mean by rebate? A tax rebate is a relief given to the individuals in the lower income bracket to reduce their tax burden. Previously, this rebate was applicable to only 7 lakhs per annum. But now it has increased to 12 lakhs per annum. So that's the reason, even though your taxable income generates taxable liability, you don't need to pay money just because of the rebate. Now let's see what happens if you're earning 12 lakhs per annum. For the first 4 lakhs, the same, you don't need to pay any tax. And the next 4 lakhs, you need to pay 5% tax. And the next 4 lakhs, you need to pay 10% tax. But again, because of the rebate, you don't need to pay tax, and that is 0. But there is something interesting which we need to discuss. That is standard deduction. But what do you mean by standard deduction? A standard deduction is a fixed amount that salaried people can deduct from their taxable income. Earlier it is at 50,000 rupees and now it is revised to 75,000 rupees. So that's the reason, even though you are earning 12.75 LPA, you don't need to pay any tax because of the standard deduction. So this is a huge relief for salaried class. Then what of the people who are earning more than 12 LPA? If you look at the existing regime, you can find this. People who are earning more than 15 lakh rupees are paying 30% of the tax. But who are earning more than 15 LPA will also get benefited in this budget. Let me explain how. So here is the revised tax structure. People who are earning between 12 to 16 LPA pay around 15% tax. 16 to 20 falls under 20% tax. 20 to 24 falls under 25% tax. And whoever is earning more than 24 LPA will pay 30% tax. So compared to the previous structure, this is beneficial for the people who are earning more than 15 LPA also. So this means even higher earning people will also have some sort of advantage. So coming to the conclusion, overall this new tax regime will benefit middle class and also reduce the tax burden on millions of Indians. And if you find this video helpful, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned as we break down the budget completely, and we are going to upload this video soon.